This is Zabriskie Point, one of the most iconic viewpoints in Death Valley National Park, California. Named after Christian Zabriskie, a vice president of the Pacific Coast Borax Company, this location offers sweeping views of ancient badlands shaped by erosion over millions of years. The golden and brown hills you see were formed from sediment deposited in prehistoric lakes, later carved by wind and rain into dramatic ridges and valleys. Zabriskie Point is especially famous for its sunrise and sunset views, when the landscape glows with warm colors and long shadows. It's an easy walk from the parking area, making it one of the most visited and photographed spots in Death Valley. A quiet moment here truly shows the raw beauty of the desert. What makes Zabriskie Point truly fascinating is that this landscape was once underwater. Millions of years ago, this area was covered by ancient lakes, collecting layers of mud, ash, and minerals that eventually hardened into rock. Over time, extreme heat, rare rainfall, and powerful winds sculpted these layers into the sharp ridges and deep gullies we see today. Despite the harsh conditions, the desert here is alive. After rare rainstorms, wildflowers can briefly blanket the hills with color. This viewpoint has also appeared in films and photography for decades, symbolizing isolation, time, and the raw force of nature. Standing here, it's easy to feel how small we are, surrounded by a landscape that has been shaping itself long before humans ever arrived. Zabriskie Point also holds a unique place in modern history and popular culture. In the late 1960s, this dramatic landscape became a symbol of rebellion and isolation when it was featured in the 1970 film Zabriskie Point, directed by Michelangelo Antonioni. The movie used this exact setting to reflect themes of freedom, conflict, and disconnection from modern society, turning the viewpoint into a cultural landmark. Long before filmmaking, the area was closely tied to the borax mining era, when mule teams hauled minerals across Death Valley under extreme conditions, a reminder of human endurance against one of the harshest climates on Earth. Today, Zabriskie Point stands as a place where geology, history, and art intersect, shaped by nature, explored by industry, and immortalized through cinema. Zabriskie Point is just one chapter in the vast story of Death Valley National Park, the hottest, driest, and lowest national park in North America. Nearby, places like Dante's View offer sweeping panoramas from high above the valley floor, while Badwater Basin marks the lowest point in North America, stretching out as a vast salt flat below sea level. Scenic routes such as Artist Drive reveal hills painted with natural mineral colors, and the shifting sands of Mesquite Flats and dunes show the softer, quieter side of the desert. Together, these places form a landscape shaped by extremes, powerful, silent, and endlessly fascinating. Death Valley is not just a destination, it's an experience that reminds us of nature's scale, patience, and strength.
Disclaimer: this video is for informational and travel inspiration purposes only. Conditions in Death Valley can be extreme and dangerous. Always check weather conditions, carry sufficient water, and follow official park guidelines when visiting.